Torrential slide value equivalent to 292.87 rands a coin. The present cost range, 275.76 to 297.66. The earlier day close, 285.54. The change was plus 7.33, plus 2.57%. Reverse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 288 rands, high 308, low 268. Torrential slide figure on Friday, May 12, cost 269 rands, high 288, low 250. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 268 rands, high 287, low 249. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 260 rands, high 278, low 242. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost 257 rands, high 275, low 239. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost 264 rands, high 282, low 246. Torrential slide estimate on Monday, May 22, cost 267 rands, high 286, low 248. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 23, cost 259 rands, high 277, low 241. In about 14 days torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost 254 rands, high 272, low 236. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost 255 rands, high 273, low 237. Torrential slide estimate on Friday, May 26, cost 254 rands, high 272, low 236. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 263 rands, high 281, low 245. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost 254 rands, high 272, low 236. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost 265 rands, high 284, low 246. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost 265 rands, high 284, low 246. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 262 rands, high 280, low 244. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 267 rands, high 286, low 248. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 242 rands, high 259, low 225. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 234 rands, high 250, low 218. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 208 rands, high 223, low 193. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost 219 rands, high 234, low 204. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 312 rands. Excessive cost 326, while low cost 236. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 285. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 265. Change for May 15.1%. Torrential slide figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 265 rands. Excessive cost 286, while low cost 193. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 248. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 246. Change for June 7.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 246 rands. Exorbitant cost 261, while low cost 227. They found the middle value of cost 245. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 244. Change for July 0.8%. Torrential slide gauge for August 2023. To start with cost at 244 rands. Exorbitant cost 263, while low cost 229. They found the middle value of cost 246. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 246. Change for August 0.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 246 rands. Exorbitant cost 246, while low cost 209. The found the middle value of cost 232. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 225. Change for September 8.5%. Torrential slide gauge for October 2023. To start with cost at 225 rands. Exorbitant cost 279, while low cost 225. The found the middle value of cost 248. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 261. Change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at 261 rands. Exorbitant cost 261, while low cost 204. The found the middle value of cost 236. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 219. Change for November 16.1%. Torrential slide gauge for December 2023. In the first place cost at 219 rands. Exorbitant cost 219, while low cost 171. The found the middle value of cost 198. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 184. Change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 184 rands. Exorbitant cost 223, while low cost 184. The found the middle value of cost 200. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 208. Change for January 13.0%. Torrential slide gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 208 rands. Exorbitant cost 212, while low cost 184. The found the middle value of cost 201. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 198. Change for February 4.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 198 rands. Exorbitant cost 198, while low cost 154. The found the middle value of cost 179. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 166. Change for spring 16.2%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 166 rands. Exorbitant cost 207, while low cost 166. The found the middle value of cost 183. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 193. Change for April 16.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 193 rands. Excessive cost 193, while low cost 151. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 175. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 162. Change for May 16.1%. ZAR to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.3414 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3360 minus 0.3626.